What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with a little Secret Wars Upper Deck. Let's go. Super awesome hobby box. Got this off of not one of the big retailers, but I got this, I believe, for I got it on eBay for like 65, I believe. 6 cards per pack, 16 packs per box. We're looking for the all new corner box cards. We can get autographs, discover canvas chapters, and Marvel team up cards. We can also get sketch cards in here. Also, Doom base and Hero base cards. Look for comic cut creators, creator autographs, and dual autographs. Okay, hopefully we'll get something like that. And then there's everything that you can get if you want to pause. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday, enjoying football. Seems like it's just been just a chilled day in the NFL, nothing really spectacular. Other than, wow, the Falcons got spanked by the Panthers. So, shout out to Panther cards. That's his team. Is Bryce Young still the quarterback? I haven't kept up with Bryce Young after watching them have such a terrible 2 years. I was just like, nope, all those cards that I got of him are pretty much paperweights. Or not paperweights, but make one giant paperweight. So let's go. Let's get going. Secret Wars. This says 6 cards per pack. Alright, we will take it. Got Wolverine to start us off. Let's go. We got a canvas card of I Can't Get Us Home, Doc Ock, and Green Goblin. Ooh. We just got a Comic Cuts auto. Okay, right off the bat. Secret Wars 1984, number 2. Mike Zeck, artist. Wow. 25 of 25. That is awesome. It released in 1984. Writer was Jim Shooter, and he was the artist. Very cool. That is super awesome. I've never gotten one of those. So, well, I did get some autographs in a couple earlier hobby boxes I opened up of Upper Deck Spider-Man Revelations, and also Martin Flair. But this is cool. I've never gotten a comic cut auto. Sweet. Alright, and the Hulk, it looks like it. Lizard. We got Wrecking Crew. We got another canvas card, Molecule Man's Revenge. Ooh, then we got a comic covers. It's kind of like a rainbow foil after the Big Bang. It's kind of textured. Very cool. I'm sure that's just an insert set. Then we got Spider-Man. Then we got Hulk. These cards are pretty freaking cool. Remember, this week I will have 3 mail days out there. First one is a Marvel PC mail day. So we got Hulk again. We got a Spy and Doom base on the canvas. Ooh, look at that. We got Lizard on the is that like a blue, like a true blue rainbow? Oh, rainbow blue. Okay, that's what it is. Very nice. We will take it. Doctor Doom, and Human Torch. Alright, let's get the other side. But yeah, the second mail day video is giveaway wins and random acts of kindness. And then the third one is definitely special to me. It's my Cardboard Chaos group on Instagram. A bunch of great guys. You guys will see the video shouting them all out. If you're not subscribed to them, hopefully you guys will subscribe to them after my video. Human Torch, kind of like a semi color match on the Rainbow Red. It's kind of weird that these aren't numbered, but oh well. Alright, there you go. Another Lizard and Wasp. Lizard and Wasp. Sorry, I thought I had it at an angle you guys couldn't see, but it's just base cards, so no big deal. Still pretty stoked about that comic cut auto. Man. Very cool. Alright, and being numbered doesn't hurt. Dr. Doom on the canvas, To the Cosmos and Beyond. Then we got a rainbow of Cyclops. Yep. Very cool. Wolverine. Still a lot of packs to go. We do have this week we have first look at Disney Chrome Blasters and Disney Mega Boxes, so stay on the lookout for that. They are being released on the 24th, so I should get them like the next day, I believe. Who will join Dr. Doom? We got Iron Man on the rainbow. Sweet. Yeah. And Bulldozer and Absorbing Man. Never heard of him. I guess our chances of getting a sketch card are pretty slim. Not just asking too much. Galactus. Dr. Doom. You cannot approach me. We got She-Hulk on the rainbow. Yep. Nice. Alright, there you go. Yeah, so a lot of good stuff coming out. We got Batman Metal coming out pretty soon. That's going to be cool. We got Blasters and Hobby Box, so definitely will be doing 2 different reviews of those. We got another Dr. Doom. The war is over. Ooh, okay, we got something. Titania. Human Torch. And we got Lockheed on the gold. Yellow Crackle, 136 out of 149. Nightcrawler wished that Lockheed would return. Okay. Very weird, but cool. We got a number card. So we got 2 number cards so far and a lot of color. So not doing so bad. This is a really cool hobby box. For 65. I'm surprised. Got a lot of a lot of stuff you can chase. Autographs, sketch cards, 101s. Captain America. Another Dr. Doom. God's Might in a Can. Okay. Ooh, we got a lenticular of She-Hulk. That is cool. Ensemble. Doesn't say, it just That is so cool. Alright. Sorry, lizard. Alright, so many hits up there. Alright, we're got like half the box left. Appreciate everybody stopping by, checking this out. Alright, here we go. Molecule Man, Wolverine, and another canvas of The Beyonder is Dead. And we got Orange Speckle, Spider-Woman, very cool. The Orange Speckle, it looks like the Thing, yep. And then we got Dr. Doom. Alright, and that is 90 out of 199. Sweet. Alright. So 3 number cards so far. Not too shabby. About 4 different rainbow colors. And we got a rainbow comic cover. And we got an artist auto. A comic cut auto. Out of the first pack. Didn't see that coming. Bulldozer. Ben Grimm. And it looks like we got the return of Kang on the canvas. Got another comic cover. Very cool. I like the embossed. The Marvel Superheroes Secret Wars. Kang and Pile Driver. Alright, we got Magneto, Iron Man, we got a Sleepwalking Hulk on canvas, and we got, ooh, nice, we got a corner box rainbow. Doesn't say. Issue number 1, very nice. And then there you go, base. First corner box art. I definitely like those. Get those in the Spider-Man box and a lot of the Marvel boxes. Infinity Trilogy. Colossus Oath on the. Oh, we got another corner box. Nice. And oh, there you go. Nice little cover art of the character of Spider-Man. Alright, Human Torch, Volcano. The choice is yours. Ooh, what is this? Marvel Team Up, Molecule Man and Dr. Doom. That is a crazy looking card. Is that numbered? It is not. But it is a really cool card. Alright, I'll put it right over there. With Lockheed. 2 more packs. I'm not expecting anything gigantic out of these, just maybe a couple more rainbow cards. The hit of the night, it's got to be that Comic Cuts Autos. And then it's going to be a Michael Zek. Ooh, that's cool. There you go. Vaporized. Marvel Team Up, Mr. Fantastic and Captain America. Let's go. And there you go. Last pack. So yeah, thanks everybody for stopping by. Appreciate it. Check out my mail day videos coming out this week. Plus, we'll be back this weekend with Disney mega boxes and blasters to review. So be on the lookout for that. Hopefully, you guys will join a bolt from the blue. And our last, there you go, Pile Driver. Nice little lenticular. Yep. Awesome. And base. You guys have a great start to your week. We will talk to you next week. Next Thursday or Friday. And we will be back with everything I said. You guys have a great night. Peace.